Your Brazilian wax isn't failing because of your technique, it might be failing because of your water. Most people never realize this, but the minerals in your tap water can quietly affect your results, leading to irritation, uneven removal, and faster regrowth. If your waxing results feel inconsistent, or your skin reacts differently in different places, your local water quality could be the reason. Let's break down what's really happening. Hard water contains minerals like calcium and magnesium. When these minerals settle on your skin, they create a thin, invisible layer. This layer acts like a barrier, stopping wax from gripping hair properly. Even high-quality wax struggles to perform when this buildup is present. The result? Patchy removal, more passes, and hair that doesn't come out cleanly. Here's where it gets more interesting. When hard water mixes with cleanses, it can leave behind a residue that doesn't fully rinse away. This buildup interferes with how wax adheres to the hair. At the same time, mineral exposure can make hair more brittle. So instead of being removed from the root, it snaps at the surface. That's why regrowths can feel faster and less smooth. Hard water doesn't just affect the wax, it affects your skin too. It can make it harder for post-wax products to absorb properly. This can leave your skin feeling dry, tight, or more sensitive. You may also notice more redness after waxing, especially in delicate areas. Soft water creates a completely different experience. Without mineral buildup, your skin stays clean and balanced. Wax can grip hair more effectively, leading to smoother, more even results. Many people also notice less irritation and fewer ingrown hairs over time. The good news is, you don't need to completely change your routine. You just need to adjust it. Start by rinsing with filtered or distilled water before waxing. Use a proper pre-wax cleanser to remove any residue. And make sure your skin is clean, balanced, and ready before applying wax. These small steps can make a big difference in your results. Now you know the hidden reason your Brazilian wax may not be working as expected. It's not always the product or the technique, sometimes it's your water. If this helped you, comment below. Do you think you have hard water or soft water? And subscribe to MTH Health for more science-based, premium self-care insights. Because better results start with better understanding.